Experiencing a frozen screen or no audio in your Honda Jazz infotainment system? You're not alone. These issues often stem from software glitches or hardware hiccups. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system reboots. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by removing the infotainment fuse from the engine bay for 30 seconds, then reinsert it. Software updates are crucial. Connect to the Honda Link app or visit a dealer to ensure your system has the latest firmware, addressing known bugs and improving stability. If problems persist, access diagnostic mode by pressing the power button and volume knob simultaneously for 5 seconds, then follow on-screen prompts. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issues, consider advanced hardware checks. Inspect wiring harnesses behind the dashboard for loose connections, or test speakers with a multimeter to check for electrical faults. These steps often require professional help to avoid damaging components. Recurring issues like frequent freezes or audio loss often indicate hardware failure. In such cases, the infotainment head unit may need replacement. This repair usually costs between $500 and $1,200 and should be performed by certified technicians to ensure proper installation. Honda is evolving towards more integrated, AI-driven infotainment systems. Future Jazz models will include predictive maintenance that detects issues before they occur and automatic fixes delivered through over-the-air updates. This advancement could reduce repair visits by up to 40%. Current trends include subscription-based services through Honda Link and increased integration with advanced driver assistance systems. While these enhance functionality, they can introduce software vulnerabilities. Regularly check for updates to both the infotainment system and connected devices. Prioritize resets over dealership visits when possible, and stay informed about cybersecurity risks affecting connected automotive systems.